Welcome to the Polsoc Academy. India also had similarities with South Africa, as India's constitution was also made under very difficult circumstances. Like, the country was born through a partition on the basis of the religious differences, which provide a traumatic experience from the people of India and Pakistan. The Britain had left to the rulers of the princely states to decide whether they wanted to merge with India or Pakistan or remain independent. The merger of the princely states was a difficult and uncertain task. For that reason, the constitution maker did not look our country as secure as it does today. They had anxious about the present and the future days of the country. In 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders drafted a constitution for India. In 1931, the resolution at the Karachi session of the Indian National Congress dwelt on how independent Indian constitution should look like. Both of them were committed to the inclusion of the fundamental rights and universal adult franchise in the constitution of independent India. The Indian Constitution adopted many institutional details and procedures from the colonial laws like the Government of India Act 1935. Many of Indian leaders were inspired by the French Revolution, the practice of the parliamentary democracy in Britain, Bill of Rights in United States, the socialistic revolution in Russia, which inspired Indians to think about a system based on socio-economic equality. All these factors contributed to the making of Indian Constitution. The drafting of the document of the legal rules providing a framework and the principal functions of the organ of the government called constitution was made by an assembly of elected representatives called the Constituent Assembly. The total membership of it was to be 389, with 292 members elected through the Provincial Legislative Assembly, 93 members represented by the princely states, and 4 members represented the chief commissioners provinces. Due to the partition of India and Pakistan, the membership of the assembly was reduced to 299. Dr. Suchidananda Sinha was elected as the temporary and the first president of it. Later, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the permanent chairperson. Importance about the Constitutional Assembly are: elections of the Constituent Assembly were held in July 1946. Its first meeting was held in December 1946. Soon after, the country was divided into India and Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly adopted the draft of the Constitution on 26 November 1949. Finally, the Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950.